Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study political science for CUET UG. First, thoroughly understand the syllabus, focusing on key topics like Indian Constitution and international relations. Next, familiarize yourself with the exam pattern, including the number of questions and time limits. Finally, gather reliable study materials, such as insert textbooks and previous year's papers, to build a strong foundation for your preparation. To master political science, begin by thoroughly studying insert textbooks from classes 11 and 12. These books cover essential concepts like political theories and governance structures. Make sure to create detailed, yet concise, notes for each chapter, highlighting key definitions and historical events. Regular practice with multiple-choice questions is crucial to enhance your speed and accuracy for the exam. Effective practice is key to success. Consistently solve previous year's question papers to understand the question types and difficulty level. Take full-length mock tests under timed conditions to simulate the actual exam environment and manage your time effectively. After each test, analyze your performance to identify weak areas and dedicate focused study time to improve those specific topics, ensuring comprehensive preparation. On exam day, ensure you have a final quick review of all important concepts and key facts. During the examination, manage your time wisely by allocating appropriate time to each section in question. Read each question carefully before attempting to answer. Most importantly, stay calm and confident. A positive mindset can significantly impact your performance. Trust your preparation and do your best.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.